Space is vast, as the James Webb Telescope continues to prove. Our solar system has only 8 planets, but the Milky Way galaxy has 400 billion planets. The galaxy, not the candy bar. The universe's total number of planets could be as high as 21.6 sextillion. Again, space is vast. There's a lot of garbage zipping around all that space. According to NASA, there are around 3,743 known comets, affectionately known as dirty snowballs, with billions more likely floating around in the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. Our solar system currently has 1,113,527 known asteroids. One can only imagine how many exist outside of our immediate galactic zip code. So stick around till the end to find out. Hello and welcome to yet another amazing video from our channel. In this video, we'll talk about how the James Webb Space Telescope discovered something strange at the universe's edge. To avoid missing any of our future videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell. Let's get started. Our planet has been hit by asteroids, comets, and meteorites over the last 4.54 billion years, such as the asteroid that buzzed the Tunguska River in Siberia, Russia in 1908. Another piece of space debris, possibly an asteroid or a comet, destroyed the real-life Jurassic Park some 66 million years ago. Knowing about these objects ahead of time is critical in potentially avoiding another extinction-level event. On October 19, 2017, Robert Warwick was operating NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program's Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System on Maui when he discovered something very strange. There was no smoking allowed in this space. Warwick was looking for asteroids that might get too close to Earth at the time and thought an unusually shaped object he saw was one of them. He wasn't sure, however, after discovering additional images that showed its orbit didn't make sense. Digging deeper into the data, he and colleague Marco Micheli at the European Space Agency discovered that it had passed by the Sun on September 9th of that year, traveling at 196,000 miles per hour and was rapidly leaving our solar system. They determined it must have come from outside of our solar system by calculating its incoming trajectory, making this celestial cigar the first interstellar object ever recorded. Over the next 11 days, the world aimed numerous ground and space-based telescopes at the object known as 1I 2017 UI. The 1 stands for the first and the I stands for interstellar, to gather as much data about this never-before-seen object as possible before it vanished. It was first classified as a comet, then as an asteroid, but it was doing things that neither are known to do. Scientists determined it was no more than 3,000 feet by 400 feet in size. According to NBC News, the rust-colored cigar-shaped object was at least 7 times as long as it's wide and spun on its axis end over end every 7.4 hours. Is it a distant messenger? It was an out-of-this-world anomaly in every way. As a result, it was given the Hawaiian name Oumuamua, which means a messenger from afar arriving first. Astronomers believe Oumuamua originated from the general direction of the Lyra constellation, which contains the bright star Vega. When it arrived in our solar system, it took a hard left at the Sun, using a gravity assist technique known as a gravitational slingshot, sending it past Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. If it continued on this path, it would eventually reach the Pegasus constellation. Scientists discovered that it had increased speed as it sped away, which was highly unusual. In a paper co-written for the journal Nature, Micheli and his colleagues concluded that something was affecting Oumuamua's trajectory and speed. Co-author David Fornakia of the Center for Near-Earth Object Studies believes the speed boost was caused by natural jets of gas ejecting from the surface called outgassing, which act like thrusters on a spaceship. Oumuamua, on the other hand, was thought to be completely inert. Karen Meach, another co-author of the paper and an astronomer at the University of Hawaii, and ESA team scientist Olivier Hinault both agree that there were no visible signs of outgassing, such as a comet's tail. However, recent discoveries may alter our understanding of Oumuamua. It's much shorter than the half-mile length that was originally estimated, and its most prominent side is anywhere between 33 and 330 feet wide, with dimensions as small as 147 by 144 by 24 feet. It has the shape of a pancake rather than a cigar. Some scientists believe Oumuamua was made of solid nitrogen, a type of ice found on the surfaces of Pluto and Triton, which could explain many of its strange behaviors. Others believe this is unlikely because pure nitrogen is rare in the universe. All of this contradictory data has led some to different conclusions. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astronomer, believes Oumuamua was some kind of alien technology, possibly an old probe or a solar sail, which could explain its acceleration as it left the solar system. Something else happened to add to the confusion. A second interstellar object named 2I Borisov entered the solar system in 2019, but it looked and behaved like a regular old comet. We'll never know what Oumuamua was, but we wish it safely travels through the universe. That's all we've got for now. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.